1. Morning sun. Step outside for sunlight first thing in the morning. It resets your circadian rhythm, improves sleep, boosts mood, and primes your body for energy. 2. Cold activation. Splash cold water on your face or take a quick cold shower. This triggers alertness, reduces stress hormones, and trains your nervous system for focus. 3. Start fast. Don't wait to feel ready. Doing something quickly gives your brain feedback and shows you what works. Action comes before clarity. 4. Single task sprint. Pick one task and work on it for 25 to 30 minutes without interruption. Your brain performs exponentially better when fully focused. 5. Cut options. Too many choices confuse your brain and slow you down. Limiting options forces focus, makes decision-making faster, and increases productivity. Scarcity creates urgency naturally. 6. Micro-adventure. Do something small outside your comfort zone daily, a new route, challenge, or conversation. Small risks train your brain to adapt and improve creativity. 7. Sensory reset. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and focus on one sense for 2 to 3 minutes. This reduces overstimulation, calms the mind, and improves mental clarity. 8. No notification hours. Pick 2 to 3 hours each day without notifications. Constant alerts drain attention and decision-making ability, reducing productivity. 9. Daily novelty. Introduce one small new experience each day. A fact, skill, or taste. New input strengthens neural pathways and keeps your mind agile. 10. Posture check. Straighten your posture every few hours. Science shows posture affects confidence, focus, and hormone balance, improving overall energy. 11. Sound control. Listen to low-stimulus sounds or silence while working. Background noise consumes mental resources. Reducing it boosts concentration. 12. Journaling insights. Write one observation or idea daily. Externalizing thoughts helps the brain process experiences faster and retain information better. 13. Brain snack. Eat one nutrient-rich snack like nuts, berries, or dark chocolate in the afternoon. Small doses of glucose and antioxidants improve focus and memory. 14. Accept temporary isolation. Changing who you are can separate you from old friends or habits. Feeling alone sometimes is normal. It's a sign of growth. 15. Change your environment. Willpower is limited. Make your space and routines support good habits so you don't have to force yourself. 16. Evening reflection. Spend 5 minutes noting what worked, what surprised you, and one improvement. Reflection trains pattern recognition and prepares your brain for the next day.